Fripp, you hear that, man? You hear them fucking bugs, man? That shit's starting when I put this on, man. I swear to God. You hear that? They're freaking singing along, man. I thought it was part of the music for a second. I told you I'd sit out here and listen to you, man. Yeah, you can hear them quite clearly. That's so fucked up. I was going, is that a cricket? What is that? I think it's like a frog or something. That shit was not there, okay? Before this. Got some more decorations up. That's Ann's husband, Ben. He passed away. That's a sign that he had that we like, so I tacked it up here. And then I got Stay Weird, of course. I'm gonna put that up there, man. And then Porch Therapy, you see that in progress. I'm doing it up, I'm getting it done. Just not as fast as I wanted. That was like fucking otherworldly, man. You know what I mean? Because I put this on and I was like, I started hearing something like not in the stereo, but totally behind me, you know? Yeah, that guy. You woke him up, Fripp. And I got the plants are doing good, man. See, look at that sucker. I untied it. I felt like, yeah, it was good. I just cut that. I hacked that down from the huge plant out front. I just stuck it in the dirt and like watered it. And yeah, I tied it up. That's some cheap shit, man. Wing chimes. Yep, see? Told you, man. I'd have plants out here. There's my purslane, my common purslane. Going like a champ. And then this, my more pencil cactus. That's like, you're gonna get, it's gonna grow, you know? It's gonna grow. Quick and dirty, quick and dirty. Well. Well. That's what I do a lot, you know, is relax back here and listen to music. Not this all the time, you know, but, you know, sometimes, you know, pretty frequently. All right.